Today, we're diving into the world of Google Sheets to explore a powerful technique, automatically sorting data when updating your dataset. Whether you're managing sales figures, inventory, or any other data, learning how to dynamically sort your data will make your reports more efficient and insightful. Let's jump right in and see how we can achieve this using Google Sheets' latest features and a bit of creativity. First, let's look at the sort function, a game changer for anyone using Google Sheets. This function allows us to sort data dynamically without having to manually resort each time the data changes. Suppose we have a table with sales data across several regions. We'll start by using the sort function to arrange this data. Here's how. Click on a cell where you want the sorted data to appear. Type an equal sign, then the word sort, and open parenthesis. Then highlight the range of cells you want to sort. This is your array. When selecting the range of cells for the array in your sort function, it's a good idea to include as many empty cells as possible below your existing data. This way, when new records are added in the future, the automatic sorting will still capture them. For instance, our example data currently goes from A3 to D12, but we will select from A3 to D30 to allow for future entries. This ensures that any new data added to your sheet will be automatically included in the sort, keeping your dataset dynamic and up-to-date. Next, type a comma and specify the column index you want to sort by in the next argument. For instance, if your sales values are in column C, like in this example, which is the third column, you would use the number 3. Decide whether you want to sort in ascending or descending order. For descending order, use the word false as the third argument, or use the word true if you want the data to be sorted in ascending order. Let's use false to sort the data in descending order. Close the parentheses and hit Enter. You'll see your data automatically sorted by sales from the highest to the lowest. The best part? If you update any sales figures, the table will automatically refresh to reflect the new order. Now let's look at how we can handle new data being added. Since our selected range in the formula included some empty cells, adding new data is simple. Just go to the last row of your data, click on the row just below it, and start entering your new data. The sorted list will automatically update to include the new entries in the correct order. This approach is incredibly powerful because it saves you time and effort by keeping your data sorted and organized without needing to manually adjust anything. Your sorted list will always be up to date with the latest information. And there you have it! We've covered the simplest ways to dynamically sort your data in Google Sheets. This technique will help you maintain clean and up-to-date spreadsheets, making your data analysis more efficient and effective. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tricks, and leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore.